Pisces, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. That link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day, Pisces, is balance. Mind, body, and spirit. You have a whirlwind of blessings and opportunities coming to you this season at this moment. Be ready to be able to take control, take effect, walk forward, and accept all the things that you've been working on because you did not come this far to stop now or to fumble. Mind, body, and spirit. Work out your mind by reading the things that's going to educate you, get you to where you're going. Work out your body. Make sure you're doing what you can do to your capacity, walking, running, jogging, sit-ups, push-ups, crunches, whatever you can do to your capacity. Have a prayer life, meditation life. Go out into the elements and just be. And allow yourself to gain and take in all the positive energy. That's how you maintain mind, body, and spirit balance. I find balance between each sphere of my life. I'm the master of my daily life. I take time to nourish the spiritual and physical. I bring love to my world by fulfilling the needs of my body and soul. Therefore, they reward me with peace, no anxiety, no depression, great ideas, great downloads for me to act on, and therefore I'm prosperous. Therefore, because I need you, the world needs you. So show up and show out. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.